I entered the church, my heart weary. Then your sweet voice touched me and drew near. I saw the candles singing peace and painting love and harmony in my soul.
Your fresh commandment flowed with light. Love and its fragrance blossomed in my heart. As you loved us, you were the guide, and you were the herald of healing for the wounded.
You taught us that the heart of the lover heals wounds in silence and love. So I began to sing at the altars, and it embraces me, as you loved us, oh Jesus. We love humanity, we heal tears, and we sow the bread of peace along the way, so that love may flourish among mankind. I pray sound of the bells rises, as if heaven were sweetened by my soul. And I glimpse your face above the cross, compassionately calling to the hearts of the near one. If the path of love is lost to us, your hands restore affection to us, and we walk together in the hills of miracles, and He carries us your radiant light. I sing, my heart melted with love for you, as if I stood at the gate of paradise, and a voice whispers to me amidst the silence. Love endures and the universe perishes. Oh Lord, make us a light for the paths, and a spring that illuminates all who are drowning, to carry your love among humankind, and to plant in the heart the fragrance of flowers. I will continue to sing of the love of Christ until